The National People's Party (NPP) has endorsed the decision taken by the Dorbar Shnong of Mawsynram not to allow the Mawjymbuin cave to be used as a place of worship. NPP spokesperson H.M. Shangpliang said Mawsynram should be preserved as a tourist destination and not a place of worship. Over the years, tourists have reportedly started converting the cave as a place of worship. Shangpliang said the tourism department has invested lakhs of rupees in developing and creating infrastructural support, providing basic amenities for tourists who come and visit the cave, urging them not to turn the tourist spot into a religious site.
Not to allow the Mawjymbuin cave to be used as a place of worship is fully endorsed by each one of us and also by the party. And the tourism department also has invested lakhs of rupees in the development and in creating infrastructural supports, in providing basic amenities for the tourists who come and visit the cave.
Along with the rest of the country,